And we are live. Oops. Audio works. Yes, audio works. Let me hook up some sound and we'll start the show in a second. Give me a second, guys. Media assets. No. You guys will hear my kid in the background. They're very noisy. There we go. One second. We'll start showing sound, guys. Give me a second here. All right, hope you guys doing okay. Welcome to the show. I think every Monday we're good to go with the show. I'm here every Monday for sure. It feels like that schedule works for me. I'm still gonna figure out how to be on more frequently, but for now, I'm here every single Monday. I think about like 6 p.m. CST. 6 p.m. CST to 7 p.m. CST. I did start a little bit late today, so we might make up for that the lateness. But hey, I hope you guys doing okay, man. So I've been, doing some trades, man. Very active using my AI tools I created. I've been very, very active using the AI tools I created. I actually have two that I use now. I have two websites that I use, to help me with the whole AI dashboard, right? I created this AI dashboard to help me to tell me, just give me details on. I'm actually still experimenting, right? So I've been using this one for a while. This one has a lot of information, a lot. I've been using this one, but I created a new one this weekend. And it's this one. Where is it? This one. I created this one this weekend, and it is pretty freaking awesome. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Just give me a second. So I used two separate websites, you know, to give me an indicator of where the market is going. But this one is fire. Holy shit! This one is crazy. So my only thing is with this AI dashboard I created is because I'm trading higher time frames, I there's less trade, which is a good thing. I don't want to be buying and selling every single day. No. So I'll briefly show you guys what I did, and I could actually, I could probably create or show you guys how to do it. It's very simple, very simple. Um, so let me show you guys real quick. This way it looks like, right? So what I did was I told the AI to basically create two separate time trading time frames for me. One for the 4 hour, one for the daily. Okay. And what I did was it using five indicators each. So using the EMA 200, RSI, the MACD, the Bollinger Bands, and volume. Okay. And what I did was I told it to tell me if any of these indicators, if three of them flash red, it just says sell. If three of them flash green, it just says buy. If if um if only one of them shows if only one signal shows, it just say wait. Then I now said show me when the 4 hour time frame matches the daily time frame. That's what this is right here. Right here. So this says waiting for alignment. It needs to have for the 4 hour and a daily time frame to have 3 out of 5 indicators flash the same. If it does that, this will switch to buy or sell. What's crazy is look at this win rates, guys. Look at this. All this I created just from this weekend. I had this AI do it for me, and it's so simple. I can show it to you. Very simple, very easy. So what I did was I had the AI show me the win rates if all three signals flash, or all four flashes and all five of them flash. Okay, so if three signals flash, there's a 75% win rate. Okay, if four signals flash, there's an 80% win rate. If 5 out of 5 signals flash, if I say signals, I mean if I see the EMA is flashing, the RSI is flashing, MACD is flashing, the Bollinger Band is flashing, and the volume is flashing. If all of them are in agreement, then you would have 5 out of 5, and that's the 84% on that trade. Now the granddaddy of them all is this one. It gives you a 90% win rate. 90% win rates happens when you have 5 out of 5 of the indicators go one direction, and you now also have the 4 hour and the daily align in the same direction. If you ever get that you dump all your money in it, and you're gonna have an over 90% win rate. That's what this is right now. So right now, I don't have I have probably one or two signals in the 1 and the 4 hour and daily time frame align in the same direction. So you say wait, right? I can't, that's a big trade right there. If I ever see sell here, because a 4 hour and the daily align, I'm going all in, guys, all in. So I created this stuff this weekend. It's crazy stuff. And so the funny thing is, I've been testing it. Unfortunately, I can't show you. I've been testing it the past couple of days, and so far, I can tell you my record. I can't show you because I'm using a different browser. I lost one trade. I won another one. I won another one. I won another one. I lost one. I won another one. I lost another one. I won 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 another one. So I have very, very high win rates because of the strategy I'm using. So I'm just, and it's not even that hard, guys. So guys, I need to get a doorbell real quick, guys. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay. I'll be right back. Just bear with me. Don't leave. I'm going to show you how I created that AI stuff, guys. So just give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay. Give me. I'm going to put up some YouTube stuff for you guys real quick. Let me see. I'll be right back. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. I'll be right back. Come on. Let me share screen. Just give me a second, okay? I'll be right back. Let me see. Lux Algo. I'm just gonna play something. I just need to get a doorbell real quick, guys. Now I'll be back. Lux Algo. I'm just gonna play this real quick for you guys. I'll be right back, okay? Play this real quick. Play a recent video. A recent one. Videos. I apologize, guys. I have to go check the doorbell real quick. I'll be right back. Put these straps. All right, 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. Okay.
My feet are killing me,
second, guys.
But they don't have to. Dr. Scholl's 24-hour energy insoles with boosting beads that take the pressure off for all-day comfort and energy-boosting support. Not killing me. Dr. Scholl's, new life for your feet.
Market movements can feel chaotic, missing those critical turning points and getting caught on the wrong side of a sudden reversal. You see price sweep a level, but what's really happening beneath the surface? Is it a genuine reversal or just a temporary pause before continuation? Understanding where liquidity lies and how it's being interacted with is the key to unlocking consistent trades. Today, we're diving into an indicator that strips away the guesswork, the Liquidity Delta Profiler. This powerful tool not only pinpoints major buy-side and sell-side liquidity levels, but also gives you X-ray vision into the internal buyer and seller activity through volume delta-filled quadrants. It's a complete toolkit designed to help you analyze liquidity sweeps and anticipate potential reversals like never before. The Liquidity Delta Profiler automatically detects significant swing highs and lows, then plots these as dynamic liquidity zones. These aren't just arbitrary lines. They represent areas where a massive cluster of stop-loss orders or breakout orders are likely resting, making them prime targets for market makers. But here's where it gets truly unique. Unlike traditional liquidity tools, this indicator slices each zone into 4 horizontal quadrants. As price interacts with these quadrants, it calculates the volume delta, precise difference between buying and selling pressure for each specific section. A vibrant green fill means aggressive buyers were dominant in that price slice, while a deep red indicates aggressive sellers took control. The intensity or opacity of the color even shows you the relative magnitude of that delta. This granular view reveals the true battle happening within these critical zones. But identifying liquidity is only half the battle. This indicator boasts an advanced detection system that spots unusual volume patterns during liquidity sweeps, signaling potential reversals. These appear as intuitive bubbles on your chart. For example, an ABS bubble signifies absorption. Aggressive market orders at the extreme edge of a zone being absorbed by large limit orders in the opposite direction. EXH stands for exhaustion, meaning a sweep occurred on very low relative volume, suggesting a lack of follow-through. DIV is divergence, triggered when high volume pushes into a zone's edge, but price fails to close outside the level, often indicating FOMO. An REJ, or snapback rejection, lights up when a sweep candle shows high delta in the opposite direction of the sweep and closes back inside the zone. These signals give you clear, actionable insights into market turning points. To ensure you're only relying on the most robust signals, the Liquidity Delta Profiler features a real-time, time-based performance dashboard. It tracks the historical reliability of each reversal signal type. A win is recorded only if, within a customizable evaluation window, price reverses from the sweep and sustains profit for a specific number of consecutive bars. This filters out fleeting wicks, giving you confidence in signals that generate genuine, sustained pressure. Adding another layer of insight is the zone decay or health percentage. This label on active zones tracks the cumulative volume traded within them relative to their capacity. As more more volume is transacted, the liquidity is considered consumed, and the percentage drops towards zero, indicating a weakening level. Under the hood, this indicator uses a robust pivot-based detection system. A confirmed swing high creates a buy-side liquidity (BSL) zone, while a swing low generates a sell-side liquidity (SSL) zone. To keep your charts pristine, it includes a filter overlaps logic, automatically updating to the most relevant levels and preventing clutter from multiple overlapping boxes. You have full control over customization in the settings. Adjust the pivot length for detecting swings, set the max zones per type to manage how many zones are visible, and choose to show swept zones to keep breached levels visible with dashed outlines. You can toggle zone decay labels, fine-tune zone volume capacity, and enable or disable specific reversal detection signals. The dashboard is fully customizable in position and size, and you can even set the eval window and hold time for signal validation. Now let's talk about the future of trading tools. Are you tired of missing market turns, struggling with conflicting signals across different time frames, or feeling limited by off-the-shelf indicators? What if you could build professional-grade tools tailored exactly to your strategy without needing to write a single line of code? That future is here, and it's called LuxAlgo Quant. This groundbreaking platform empowers anyone to create incredibly sophisticated indicators and strategies in minutes, simply by using plain language prompts. You heard that right. The exact indicator we're looking at today. This advanced liquidity delta profiler with its unique delta quadrants, multifaceted reversal detection, and dynamic performance dashboard was built entirely with LuxAlgo Quant in just minutes. You can achieve this too. Go to luxalgo.com, open up Quant, and start with a prompt like this. Create a liquidity profiler that identifies swing highs, lows, divides zones into 4 quadrants, calculates volume delta per quadrant, and detects absorption, exhaustion, divergence, and snapback rejection reversal patterns with a historical performance dashboard and zone decay. Anyone can get started for free, unlocking a new era of trading innovation. This liquidity delta profiler is a game changer for anyone serious about understanding market structure and anticipating reversals. You can get this powerful indicator for free right now by visiting luxalgo.com/library and searching for liquidity delta profiler. And if you're ready to create your own custom trading solutions, head over to luxalgo.com to explore Quant, your gateway to unlimited indicator possibilities. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ever felt like your trend-following indicators are constantly battling market noise, giving you false signals and whipsawing you out of profitable trades? Consolidation zones just chop you up, making it impossible to hold a position. What if you could build a professional-grade indicator that adapts to this noise, giving your trend more breathing room without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what LuxAlgo Quant allows you to do. Now anyone can create sophisticated trading tools with simple text prompts. And here's the kicker. The exact indicator we're looking at today, the evasive super trend, was built entirely with LuxAlgo Quant in just minutes. Want to try building your own advanced tools? Go to luxalgo.com, open up Quant, and start with a prompt like this. Create a super trend that actively pushes its band away from price when it detects market noise, using ATR for the noise threshold and an expansion alpha for the evasion. You can get started for free right now. But first, let's break down this incredible indicator. So, what makes the evasive super trend so revolutionary? Unlike a traditional super trend, which can only move closer to the price or stay flat, this indicator has a unique evasive logic. Imagine a regular super trend as a rigid boundary. When price gets too close, it flips, often prematurely during choppy markets. The evasive super trend is smarter. It identifies when price action enters a noise zone, a calculated area of market uncertainty, and instead of flipping, it evades the price. It dynamically pushes its band further away, giving the current trend crucial breathing room to persist through minor pullbacks and sideways consolidation. This drastically reduces those frustrating premature trend flips that plague standard super trends, allowing you to stay in profitable trends longer and filter out the market's everyday chatter. Let's dive into how to read this on your chart. You'll notice 2 distinct line styles for the super trend. A solid line indicates a standard healthy trend phase. Price is maintaining a good distance, and the trend is clear. But then, when price action gets a little too cozy with the volatility band, you'll see the line turn dotted. This is your visual cue that the evasive mode is active. The indicator has detected noise and is actively pushing the band away to prevent a false breakout. This dotted line signals that the trend is under pressure, but refusing to flip, giving you confidence to hold through the chop. Adding to this, the gradient fill provides an intuitive heat map of trend strength. Higher transparency warns of proximity to a potential trend flip, while a solid fill indicates strong conviction. And for clear trading signals, look for the bull and bear labels. These mark the precise points where price successfully penetrates the evasive band, confirming a robust trend flip. Because the band actively retreats during noise, a flip here often carries much more significance as price has truly overcome an adaptive volatility threshold. Now let's quickly customize this powerhouse. In the settings under Super Trend settings, you have your ATR length and base multiplier. ATR length determines the look-back period for average true range, impacting band responsiveness. Shorter lengths are more reactive, longer ones smoother. The base multiplier sets the initial distance of the band. Higher values mean fewer but longer-term trend signals. But the real magic lies in the noise avoidance avoidance logic section. Here, the noise threshold, XATR, defines that danger zone around the band. If price enters this ATR-based range, the evasive logic kicks in, and the expansion alpha, XATR. This is the distance the band moves away from price when noise is detected. Want your indicator to be more stubborn against trend changes? Increase this value. It gives the trend even more resilience. Finally, under visualization, you can toggle show signal labels for the bull-bear markers and show gradient fills for that dynamic background coloring. Tweak these to match your personal trading style and visual preferences. So, how do you put this into action? Let's look at a chart. Notice how during this consolidation phase, a traditional super trend would likely flip multiple times, giving you fake outs. But the evasive super trend, with its dotted line, holds firm, pushing away as price wiggles around it. This tells you to stay in your position or avoid premature entries against the underlying trend. When the market finally breaks out with conviction, you get a clear bull or bear signal, confirming that price has genuinely overcome the adaptive volatility. This means your entries are more robust, backed by a band that's already tried to evade false signals. For exits, you can use the gradient fill as a warning. As it becomes more transparent, consider tightening your stops or taking partial profits, anticipating a potential flip. The strength of this indicator is filtering out noise, letting you ride genuine trends with greater confidence and less stress. It's about not just following the trend, but understanding when the trend is truly changing versus just taking a breather. And there you have it, the evasive super trend, a smarter, more resilient way to navigate market trends. This indicator was designed to minimize whipsaws and keep you aligned with the true market direction, even through choppy conditions. Remember, this powerful tool, like countless others, was brought to life in minutes using LuxAlgo Quant. If you want to build your own custom solutions without complex coding, then LuxAlgo Quant is your ultimate solution. Head over to luxalgo.com right now to explore Quant and start building your own advanced tools for free.
Okay,
You can get the evasive super trend for free in the LuxAlgo library. Just search for evasive super trend and add it to your chart. Let us know what indicators you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
All right. Damn, kick me down the chair. Jeez.
Before we get into option trading strategies and all the technicals, let's talk about the basic definition of options and why they even exist in the first place.
Okay, cool.
So what is an option?
All right.
An option is a contract.
Good. Yes, I apologize. I apologize real quick. I'm back. Yes, I'm back. All right. Okay. All right. Where did I stop? Yes, I was going to show you guys real quick. Where is it? Let me share my screen. All right. Okay, so I created this AI dashboard. I have two of them that I use. I was testing one out yesterday, the past 2 days, this weekend, and I think it's pretty cool. Okay, this is it right here. So I'm gonna go over it again. So actually, maybe what I'll do is this. Okay, maybe what I'll do is this. Let me see. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Actually, okay, you know what I'll do is this. I'm gonna make a tweet. I'm gonna make a tweet on how to do it. There we go. So it's right here. This is the website right here. It's very, very simple. Okay, and I'm gonna make a tweet right now for you guys and give you guys the link. And it's free. This is another one. Doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so let me copy this. Open up my Twitter page for you guys, and I'll show you. Stream Twitter. What's Twitter? No. Twitter. Right. Okay. All right, just give me a second, okay? So open up the Twitter, and I'm going to show you how to create it live right now. And I'll make a tweak because I did get some DMs, people asking me how did I create the live dashboard. So this information is very, very good. It doesn't trade for you, all right? It doesn't. I'm using Claude, right, to create these things. So it recommends websites to me, recommends AI tools to me, and I'll go from there and I use it. That's basically what I do. So all right, so let me go to my page. I'm going to create this right now so you guys can see. Let's see. All right, let me see 1 second. I need to find there we go. Okay, so this is it right here. So I'm gonna make a post right now and show you guys how to do it. So anyone could go back and do this. Anyone could go back and do this and and get the information. But this stuff is unbelievable. I mean, this you could do any time frame from any token for any whatever you want. Okay, but let me just show you real quick. So let me just quickly. Okay. There we go. Yeah, let me do another one. 1 second, guys. So I'm gonna show you how to do it, and I'm gonna make a tweet right now also. And what that would do is it'll give you guys you be able to save the information, man. So whenever you want to use it, it's right there for you. But this is pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Using AI to help you, to give you exits, entries, help you trade. There's nothing like it, man. There's nothing like it. There is nothing like it. Okay. All right. Okay, so copy the link. Okay, this is the website is called Replit. Replit. All right, I'm gonna post it right here. Paste. So that's a website. Okay. Okay. Create a live trading AI dash for trade. All right, as a website, and we use this prompt. Use this prompt. Okay. So it is right here. Okay. Actually, let me see. Oh, you know what? I got the whole thing for you guys, man. So, combine top signal and the signal will actually trade. The signal will actually trade only activates on when. Okay, so okay, all right, cool. All right, perfect. All right. So I'm gonna copy this entire thing for you guys here, and this is all you need. So you're just gonna copy and paste this entire prompt into the website. And remember, all you're doing is you're using your email to create your AI, to log in. That's it. All you need is the email. Any email, it's free, it doesn't cost you anything. All you gotta do is this. So create a live trading AI dashboard. Create a live AI trading dashboard. Okay. Use link below. Type in this prompt or copy paste. Copy and paste. Copy paste. Okay. Copy and paste this prompt. Tell you the signal you actually trade only activate when both. Okay, let's see. 1 second, guys. Let me make sure I got the right thing here. Give me a second. So once you copy and paste this prompt into the website, it's to create. It's just a prompt that like ChatGPT or Grok. Very very simple. I just want to get the prompt for you guys, man. And this thing is really good. It's really really good. It really really is. Okay, here we go. I like this one better. There we go. Create a create, buy, sell, and wait signals for 4-hour time frames. Separate daily. Blah, 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 blah. I think. Yeah, that's it. I'm just copy this whole thing. That's it. Just copy the entire prompts. Okay, copy it again. I'm gonna fix it. Make sure you guys got the good stuff. All right, let me copy this out. There we go. Perfect. All right, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna put a quote for you guys here. So all you gotta do is copy and paste this prompt, and that's it. And this is set up. Here we go. Perfect. Win rate jumps 89%. Okay. I don't think I need that one. All align on single time frame. Win rates. Every B2C training started with this about 1 week. Okay. That's fine. I'm gonna leave it. All right, right here. This entire prompt right here. Just copy this prompt and paste it. Copy and paste this prompt below. Copy and paste this prompt below. That's it. Create, buy, sell, and wait signals for 4-hour time frames separate. Daily separate, and the separate 4-hour and day time frames combined. Use these criteria. 1 of 5. Any single indicator gives a signal of buy. Gives a signal to buy or sell. So it's gonna create this thing for you, and that's it. That's all you gotta do, guys. I've given you a website, I've given you a prompt, and that's it. Once you do this, I just posted it, guys. It's on my Twitter page right now. So if you guys need to get it started, that's it. So I know I got the DM recently, someone asking me how to create this. I just did, and go check it out, man. Okay. But it is very, very freaking. It is awesome. So let me go back here real quick. So this is the way it looks like. So this is the actual website right here. Okay. So once you log in, just copy the prompt on your bottom left corner and hit search. Once you hit search, it will create like this on the right side. Okay. You see this is what it will look like. This is what mine looks like. On the top right corner, you guys can click this link on the right. It should take you to a different link and make it look bigger, so it look more like this. But yeah, man, this is what it look like. Once you're done, it will look like this. So this will tell you, it will give you buy signals, sell signals. Remember, you could change your time frame. I'm using a 4-hour and a 1-hour time frame. You could change. I'm using a 4-hour and a daily. You could use whatever time frame. Actually, let me make a note of that. Man. 1 second. Let me make a note on that real quick. So I'm gonna put a note in the comment section, just saying quick notes. Quick notes. You can use any time frame. You can use any time frame. And any use any time frame or any crypto, right? Any crypto or stock. or stock, whatever. For your own trading AI dashboard. Okay. Quick notes: you can use any time frame. Okay, cool. And any crypto or stock or stocks for your own trading AI dashboard. All right. Yeah, man, that's it, guys. So that's what it looks like. So we'll go back. I'll show you the chart in a second. So so I was playing with this stuff this weekend, and so as of right now, on the daily time frame, 3 indicators are currently aligned. You can see that, right? So 3 indicators. Okay, let me say it again for anyone that I missed from the beginning. So I have 2 AI dashboards I use. I have one I've showed you guys already before. This is one I created this weekend. Okay, and what I did was I had this AI select 5 of the best indicators, that could predict price movements the most accurately, right? I now asked it to list those indicators for me, combine them, and tell me when these indicators align in the same direction. Every time they align, I get a buy signal or sell signal. If they align on the upside, I get a buy signal. Downside, I get a sell signal. But the signals only flash if 3 of them are flashing. So 3 of them flash down, I get sell. 4 of them flash, I get sell. 5 of 5 flash, I get sell. Now the difference is, what I had the AI do was tell me what the accuracy is. If 3 of these indicators flash, my trade is 75% win rate. 75% win rate. Okay. The next one, if I get if 4 of the indicators align, I get an 80% win rate. If 5 of the indicators align, I get an 84% win rate. If the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame align together, plus 5 out of 5 indicators align, as a 90% win rate. Actually, 88% to 92% win rate is what it is. So based on this information, right, I've been using it to trade, and I showed you guys. I was saying this earlier, where I've been able to catch almost near the bottom of Bitcoin, and almost near the top, the local bottoms, based on a 4-hour time frame and a daily time frame. And like I said before, I trade longer time frames. So, which means when you set a buy or sell, hey, Crucifix, what's up, bro? So when you set your buys and sells, you're buying and selling not every single day, right? You might take profits in a week or 2 weeks or 5 days or 3 days. So I'm trading the longer time frame. So that's more accurate. Trading the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, those time frames are more accurate. They give you less noise. So let me tell you what this stuff told me when I was doing it yesterday, right? It's very, very interesting, right? So what it was showing me was let me see, like how frequent does it? Okay, I think okay, here. So basically, let me see. These 3 dots, man. No. So basically, if 3 of the 5 indicators align, the signal with flashes about 8 times a month. Eight times in 30 days on the daily. Okay. If the 3 indicators flash in the same direction, the signals, your buy sell signals will show 25 times a month on the 4-hour time frame, and that gives about a 73%, 77% win rate, which is not bad at all. I'll take that any day. So if you use the AI, if you do what I tell you to do and you follow it, and you're trading the daily time frame and you get a flash, you're probably only going to get 8 signals in 1 month. 8, that's it. If you're trading the 4-hour time frame, you get 25. Okay. If 4 out of 5 signals flash at the same time, you get 4 times a month. 4. That's it. 4 times a month, you might get a buy signal or sell signal. 4 times. If 4 indicators align out of the 5. On the 4-hour, the buy sell signals show up 12 times a month, approximately. And it's basically, it took information for the past 3 months. Basically, I think I asked you to check information the past 3 months, the entire month of March, the entire month of February, and entire month of January. So on average, it's averaging. So 5 out of 5. If 5 indicators align at the same time, you only get three buy or sell signals for that month. Only 3. If on the 4-hour time frame. On the daily is 2 times, 2 to 4 times a month on a daily. Now, this is the ultimate. If you see the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, if both time frames say sell and all 5 on the indicator say sell, that's the golden. You see right here. That's the golden ticket, which is a 88 to 92% win rate. Crazy. And this signal flashes 1 or 2 times a month. Once or two, I said, you might get a signal 1 time. And this signal is extremely rare, very, very rare. As a matter of fact, that's crazy. It says when this happens, it says load up, man. Load every money you have, go long, go crazy, okay? Every major Bitcoin bull run in 2023, 2024, and 2025, wow, was preceded by this exact confluence. Jesus Christ. This is the setup you were waiting for. This is all AI. Give me advice, man. This is unbelievable. So imagine you guys knowing this ahead. Imagine if you guys knew this in 2021. Imagine if you guys knew this or saw this when Bitcoin was at 120K. Imagine you guys just sold everything, man, because you knew it was time to be out. You're done. Or what if you at the bottom of the bottom where you had like Bitcoin was oversold, it was dead. You now have on the 4-hour telling you to buy, on the daily telling you to buy, all 5 indicators are aligned telling you to buy. That's a golden buy opportunity. So which means what this is giving me now is even more confidence for me to buy something and sell something. So, and that's the reason why it's important to experiment. I like to experiment, guys. I like to find things out, and I like to play with things. I like to experiment, and this stuff works. And it's always, of course, it's not 100% guaranteed. Of course not. And that's why it's giving me win rates. I mean, look, man. Win rates, for example, are beautiful. I didn't even show this earlier. So it broke down the win rates. Okay, let me say the indicators I'm using. There are 5 of them. the EMA 200, the RSI, the MACD, the Bollinger Bands, and the volume. That's it. Okay? So let me show you what it looks like. All right, right here. So basically it says, if you see one of the indicators flash, if I say flash, one indicator says buy, and 4 of the other indicators says sell. Okay. If you see that, it just says skip, don't trade. On the right side it says skip, so don't trade. There's so much noise, say noise, skip, don't trade. If you see 2 indicators that agree, so if you see one indicator says buy, one indicator says buy, on the other 3 of them says sell, then it's a weak signal. It's recommended you skip. Okay. If you see the RSI, the MACD, and the Bollinger Bands align, telling you to sell or buy, it is 75% win rate. Okay, and that's a 3 out of 5. The other one here is a 4 out of 5 strong. If you see the indicator telling you, you know, four indicators are saying buy and only one is saying sell, that's a strong indicator, and that's an 80% win rate. Okay, then you have when you have all 5 of the indicators agree, all five indicators are telling you to buy, all 5 indicators are telling you to sell or sell. If all indicators are lying in one direction, this is your 84% win rate. It's called your apex, right? And remember, I'm using the 4-hour and the daily time frame, okay? Because it will change based on the time frame you're trading in, okay? Now, the ultimate daddy here is, if the 4-hour and the daily are showing sell, and all 5 indicators are showing sell, you're done. It's 88% to 92% win rates. That is absolutely freaking insane. Absolutely insane. Because do you understand, guys? So you guys know I've been documenting my trading journey for a while, right? I mean, I've been doing all these videos, you know, doing different experiments, all that stuff. And what I realized was, when I first started trading, I was losing a lot. I'm like, why am I losing? Oh, are you frozen? Okay. So I was wondering why. I was losing, and it didn't make sense to me, man. Every little thing I did was a loss. I was getting liquidated. It drove me nuts. So I don't even know how I stumbled onto this. I figured it out. I got into it, and using AI to trade. But when you're normally trading, your win rate is between 40% to 50%, sometimes 30%. So if I have an indicator that's gonna help me, that's gonna help me, do very, very well with this stuff, I'm gonna do it. To increase your win rate trading is unbelievable. But the fact that I just read that the AI said every single bull run that we've had in the past 3 years, or every single bull run, like I think he said past 3 years, I think every single major bull run we've had, the 4-hour, the daily time frame, and all 5 indicators aligned in one direction, and it preceded a massive bull run after that, or a massive dump after that. Which means all you need is just this information here. Let me share my screen again. Share screen. There we go. So all you need is this information here, man. Where is it? Right here. All you need is the information here. Because now that I know this, I'm able to make very educated and very accurate trades based on this information. Remember what I said before, it's not guaranteed, but it's a very high win rate. which means even if you fail, come back and do it again. So basically, just imagine you taking 10 trades. With this strategy, at least you could win 7. So just say you make $100 in each trade. In 7 trades, you make $100 or $700, and in 3 trades, you lose 300. So if you add them together, basically, you're up $500. You went in with 1,000, and you made 500. You lost 3, but you made 5, or something like that. So net positive. This indicators will help you get there. And like I said, you should definitely practice it, because I've been practicing this all weekend, all week. All weekend. Actually, as a matter of fact, I've been practicing using AI for the past like 6 months. But I'm really getting deep into it now, where I'm having AI give me numbers, give me information that's going to help me win. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm trying to do. I want to know where I should sell, where I should buy, where I should take profits, and that's what your AI is for. Guys, give me a second. I'll be right back, guys. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Give me a second, guys. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Today is a busy day for me, man. I have to keep stepping out real quick, but I'm sorry about that, guys. I haven't dropped my freaking flag, right? Where are we? All right. Okay. Okay, when I stop. Shit, man. Yeah, so basically, I'll be using these indicators, man, to improve my trading, to lower emotion when you trade. Because the biggest thing with trading in this game we're doing right now is there's a lot of emotion, right? And emotion, it basically allows you it allows you to make bad decisions. I've been through this stuff for a while now, man. Just a lot of mistakes I've made in the past when it was trading is because I was impatient. I sold too early, just different reasons, right? Different reasons. But I'm more confident now. When it comes to every trade I make, I'm more confident, especially because I'm trading the higher time frames. I always have to emphasize this, right? Because some people, I used to do this, right? Trading on the 5-minute time frame. It might work for some people. I used to do it and I didn't succeed. The market has too many false signals, too much noise. It's hard for me to really win consistently trading that way. And what I also realized was a lot of big money, a lot of whales, they don't trade every day. These guys basically, let me show you. So this is the daily time frame, right? A lot of these guys, what they do is this, right? They just basically wait. They wait and they jump in. They don't just buy every single pump or dump, whatever it is. They have a plan, no emotion. Okay? And they're able to catch the tops and they're able to catch the bottoms. Why is that? The reason why is they know where the tops are. They know where the bottom is. They know when things are very, very oversold. For example, I'm gonna give an example right now. Let me give an example. So on a daily time frame, look what happens when this is why I chose to use that indicator, right? Or the AI tool that I showed you guys. Let me show you real quick. Look what happens when the it was oversold right here. So oversold on a daily. The last time it did this, Bitcoin was at 60K. Oversold on daily, Bitcoin was at 60K. If you had that AI tool I just showed you with those type of indicators, it would have told you go long on the daily. If you're going long on the daily, just say you held it for a week or two, right? You would have sold possibly when Bitcoin hits 75K and you got in at 60K. That's a $15,000 gain on Bitcoin plus your leverage. This is how big money, this is how they play, man. They don't just they look for when markets oversold the most or when it's overbought the most, and they take action. So that doesn't happen all the time, right? So for example, let me go to another one. On the daily, the market was okay. On the daily right here, market was overbought. The price was 120,000. So all you have to do is just take a short in and just wait. This is October 6th. Let's say sell down here. So from October 6th, the price was 120,000. Sell in November at 77,000. Can you imagine that? But that's what I'm saying. Like, you have to understand. That's where I messed up when I used to trade heavily on a 5-minute time frame, and I was losing a lot because accuracy was very bad, a lot of noise. It was difficult to see where the market was going or where, just sit back and wait, let the market come to you. Once you learn this, it's game over, man. Your numbers will be very, very, very well. You're gonna do very, very well, and that's the reason why. So let me go back here. So this is it right here, guys. I'm gonna show it again. This is my Twitter page right here. So this is the oh wait, make sure I got this thing up. One second. Oh, it's kind of okay, cool. All right, so this is the post right here. Very, very simple. All you have to do, go to my Twitter page. Very simple. Create a live trading AI dashboard. Use the link below. It's free. All you have to do, create an account with your email, any email, and you're done. Okay? And copy and paste this prompt. This entire prompt. Once you copy and paste it, it will look like this. It will look like this. Then you can start playing. And remember, you can always use any time frame you want. You could customize it to your liking. You could trade it for Bitcoin, for ETH, for any crypto, for any stocks, whatever you want. All right. So that is what I want to show you guys, man. And I this stuff is legit, and I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to win a lot more based on this. And I'm going to post if I see markets doing crazy things, I'm gonna post it, make it public so you guys can see it, show you what it looks like. Like for example, right now I had on the daily I had 3 signals that was telling me the price is going down. I have 2. So I currently have a trade on right now. I might close it because of the signal flipped to 2 signals instead of 3. But so far, I've been doing this. I started one AI, this AI project I'm doing. This same one here. I started it this weekend. So I haven't had a chance to see having 4 signals aligned together or 5. I've only ever seen 1, 2, and 3. The highest I've seen so far is 3. Remember, the higher the signals, when they match, you get the signals flash between 8 to 8, but between 2 to 8 times a month. So not that many. So then that's why I'm on my computer every single day. I'm alerts set. The moment I see my signals flash, I go in immediately. I'm not wasting any time because you need to jump in as quick as possible. So guys, let me end this show. I'll be back again hopefully soon. But like I said, I'm pretty busy during the week. If I have time, I'll jump on again. If I have some news, I'll make it public. But I'll give you guys information. Just go to my Twitter page. It's free info. This is alpha. This is going to help you in 2 ways. Even if you're buying spots or you're trading, it's to help you, to tell you where the bottoms are or where the top is, or pretty close in between. And remember, use the higher time frames for more accuracy. This will work for 15 minutes, for the 30 minutes, for the 1 hour, yes, but the accuracy would reduce. Okay, but the higher time frames using this, you become an absolute sniper, man, for real. So guys, let me end this show, man. But yeah, it's on my Twitter page right now. Go check it out, and hopefully that information helps, man. So I'll see you guys later, man. Let me end this show, man, because it's already past 7. I'll see you guys again later. Much love, legend. I'll see you guys soon. All right, this end. What do I end? Am I lost? All right, guys. See you guys later, man. Peace out, guys. But go to my Twitter page and check out how to create the AI platform I just showed you guys, man. Pretty useful for trading. Bro, I'm about to end. You can watch the video again. Just go to my Twitter page, bro. Go to my Twitter page, and it's there. But yeah, I'm about to end, bro. I've been on for like an hour, man. Yeah, I've been on for an hour. I'm about to end the show.